So I think you have opened your books, right? We are going to begin with the next chapter, that is stepwise thinking. All right. Now, what is thinking? You know it, no? But that what is thinking? You are familiar with this term, right? Thinking is what? That it is your reasoning capabilities. Okay, suppose you are given some task and you think about that task, that how you are going to solve that task. That is your called as your thinking ability, right? So why do we need to think? The question is that why thinking is required, or why do we need to think? Now, let us say that you are given some task. Okay, whenever you are asked to do even if a small task, for that task also you need to think. Okay, for that task also you need to think. And let me read. You can open your page number 58. So it is written that we have to do various tasks in our day-to-day life, and our reasoning and problem solving skills help us to accomplish any given task with ease. See, whenever you have to do any task, if you are not able to think, or if you are not able to analyze the problem, then that task becomes very, very difficult. If you want to do any of the task with ease, then you shall have the reasoning powers and you shall have the problem solving skills also. So reasoning is what? Reasoning is actually act of thinking, right? And thinking also in a logical manner, that you cannot say that you have to solve a task and if you do not follow the steps, the task can never be done. So logical thinking is what? Logical thinking is thinking in a stepwise manner, right? That if you are given a task, how are you going to solve that task, right? Now let us say that you have to organize a party, right? Whenever, now this is a small task given to you. You are having your birthday, right? And you want to throw a party for your friends. So the task given to you is, or task for you is right now, what is the task? Task is that you have to organize a party, right? Now to organize a party also, you have to take certain steps. You have to follow certain steps, right? Then only you will be able to organize a party. To organize a party, how will you think? What will you think? First of all, what comes to your mind? If you want to organize a party, first of all, the thing that comes to your mind is that whom am I going to call? Who are the invitees? Am I going to call my friends only, or am I calling my relatives also, or am I calling my neighbors also? That is the first requirement that comes to your mind, that how many invitees are there or whom I'm going to invite, right? So first of all, you will prepare a list, right, of all the invitees that are going to attend your party, right? After that, after making that list, what are you going to do? You are going to invite them, right? Either you are going to send them emails, or you will make phone calls, or you may send some written message, SMS, WhatsApp, whatever, but you are going to inform them that yes, there is a party at your place, and you have to you are calling them or you are inviting them. So second step is you are informing them. First step is you made a list of all. I'm sorry, I was disconnected, right? So I think you can see my screen. Just write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. Can you see my screen? Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so we were discussing about the steps to organize a party. So we discussed two steps. First step is that we will make a list of all the invitees. Second step is you will invite them, right? Now you have given the invitations, right? Now next job is what? You are calling them at your place. You have to arrange something for them. You have to make proper arrangements. You have to make seating arrangements. You have to make eating arrangements for them. Fourth standard, please put off your videos. Now your videos are on. Now you can turn off your videos because it is giving too much of load to the connection and we are getting disconnected again and again. So you all are requested to turn off your videos. I will tell whenever it is required. I will ask you to put your video on. So everyone please turn off your video because we are getting disconnected again and again. Anam Rahman, please turn off your video. Anam Rahman, turn off your video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, girls. So let's uh, begin with the next step now. So we discussed about 3 steps. The third step is that we have to make proper seating and eating arrangements, right? After that, you have to arrange something for their entertainment also. You may arrange music, you may arrange games. That everything has to be charted out, that how are you going to entertain them. Are you going to play DJ, or you're going to play some antakshari, or you're going to play some games and all? That is up to you because you are the organizer of the party. So you have to think for so many things. All right. Then when your guest comes, how are you going? So when your guest comes, how are you going to greet them? That also is going to be your main concern, right? And then what else? What else you are going to do? Then you will see that they shall be comfortable at your place. So these are the things which you need to take care when you are organizing a party. So there are so many things which has to be taken into account in order to organize a party. So this is called as reasoning, or this is called as problem solving. Here the problem was what problem is? The task given to you. Problem means problem is not a problem. Problem is here we say problem is what? The task given to the uh, anyone. Task given to you or task given to me, it is called as a problem. So in computers, task given to somebody. So in terms of computers, task assigned to anyone is called as a problem. Okay, it is called as a problem. So here we discussed about certain steps. Now I think it is clear. Somebody is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Shambhavi, you are unmuted. Please mute yourself. Yes, and put off your video also. Turn off your video. Anandika also. Anandika, please turn off your video, bache. All right. So I think it is clear what is problem solving. Problem solving is that task that you are going to do. How are you going to analyze that problem and what all arrangements you are going to make for to perform that task, right? Now see what is written there. Then every step written above holds a place and importance, holds its own place and importance. And if we do not follow the sequence or skip any step, the result may not be satisfactory. Now here in this case, since we were organizing a party and we have planned for 6 steps. Now out of all these steps, if you skip any one, then your party will not be a successful one. You cannot. See, suppose if you forgot to, if you are not making a list, first of all, if you are missing first step, if you are not making a list, then without making a list, if you're inviting people, then what will happen? You will not be having any idea that how many people, how many invitees are there, or how many people you have invited, and then it is going to create a chaos, right? Or you may miss somebody who is very important. You may miss to invite that person. Suppose in case you made a list and you are skipping second step. Your second step is what? Second step is you are going to invite them, no? So suppose after making a list, you forgot to invite them, then what will happen? Everything is done. You have invited, you have made a list. Rest, all the arrangements are done. Seating arrangement is also done. Eating arrangement is also done. Entertainment arrangement is also done. But you have forgotten. You did not call anybody. You did not inform anybody that you have organized a party at your place. What will happen? Will your party be a successful? No, because nobody will turn up, nobody will come to your place because you have not informed anyone. So here, when you try to solve a problem, or when you say, when you analyze a problem, and so when you analyze a problem and when you jot down certain steps, all those steps which are jotted down, you have to perform each and every step, because every step has its own importance. All right. This is called as problem solving. Now, therefore, you have to plan your work, and every step which is planned has to be performed, right? Now see, look at this paragraph. For example, if you do not start the above activity with the making of a list of invitees, rather start with the second step, that is calling, chances are that we might forget to call a few of the guests. We would not have an exact idea of the number. So this reading part I'm leaving for you. I explained you what is problem solving and what is problem and what is reasoning. I explained you all this. Reading part I'm leaving for you. In your book you can read, and if you find anything difficult, then we will see. Next, now let's say that we want to organize a picnic. Okay, teacher is asking, or your friend or anybody, if you want to organize for a picnic to a water park, then how will you plan? What will you plan? So teacher is asking, and one student is answering, ma'am, we will simply book tickets and go, right? They want to go to picnic to a water park, and a student is answering, just we will book the tickets and we will go there. Okay, then another student is asking, what did he ask? That student is asking that, is it possible to book tickets before collecting the names of those who would like to go? Now, when your school organizes a picnic for you, first thing, what happens? What do they do? First thing, teacher announces, no, that we are going for a picnic to that particular place. Who all are interested? Give your names. Okay. So that student is asking, is it possible to book tickets before collecting the names? Now, Tejas is saying, no, it is not possible, because before booking tickets, what do you need to have? You need to have a list of all the students, those who are interested to go for a picnic, right? Now, when you are having an idea that from this particular class, how many students are going? From this particular class, 10, that from this particular class 10 students are going, or 20 are going, or 30 are going, that depends. Ticket booking can be done after that. Before that, ticket booking is not possible. All right. So now after you book the tickets, when you know the number of students, those who are going, after that you will book the tickets, and then you will be able to go to the park, right? So what are the steps involved in this? If you want to organize a picnic to water park, what are the steps involved? First of all, teacher or principal or anybody, maybe leader of the class, has to make an announcement about the picnic. Okay, somebody has to make an announcement. So after making announcement, what will happen? After making announcement, students will give their names to the teacher, and then teacher will book tickets, and then you can travel to the water park. So these are the mandatory steps that needs to be taken, then only picnic is possible. Every activity has, it is written every activity has a sequence of steps that needs to be followed. Now here, what was the activity? Activity was going to the water park. Okay, and these are the steps involved. Now if you do not follow all these steps, that activity cannot be done. Activity is not performed if you do not follow all the steps. Okay, is that clear to you? Any activity has a sequence of steps. First, list the main steps of the activity. Then for each main step, list the details. Then if you list your steps, it becomes easy for you to carry out that activity. All right. It becomes easy to carry out the activity if you list the steps. So this is your next page. It is given, you are given certain activities. First activity is given in your book, that if you want to brush your teeth, what are the steps that you are going to take? To brush your teeth, obviously, you are going to take a brush, you are going to rinse it, then you will apply toothpaste on the brush, then you will start brushing your teeth, then you will clean the brush and rinse your mouth, then you will put the brush back and pick tongue cleaner and rinse it, clean your tongue, clean the tongue cleaner and rinse your mouth again. Finally, you get the desired result. Is that, this is what you do every day. This is what you do every day. Every day you brush your teeth, no? So every day when you brush your teeth, you follow these sequence of steps, no? Do you follow or not? Now, one sec. Just give me one sec. Somebody is writing something. I did not understand what is that. Let me check. Shranya Surat, just give me one sec. Okay, all right. Let me unmute you and we'll see then. One sec, what did no. Ashvika is also as. Is Shranya Surat there? No, I couldn't find her. There. One sec. Okay, Ashvika. Ashvika, unmute yourself. Ashvika, tell me what happened.
Ma'am, I don't understand anything.
Why?
मैम वो आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही थी.
Okay. Anandika, what about you? You also unmute yourself and tell me what happened. Anandika,
Understand.
Anandika, you did not understand anything.
मैम बिकॉज आपकी ना वो क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो रही थी बार बार, तो मैम आप तो आप जो पढ़ा रहे थे मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया.
Because that's why I'm telling you to turn off your video. तुम लोग सुनते हो तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ ना अपना वीडियो ऑफ करो. Because so many students are connected and you are putting on your videos, so my class is getting disconnected. But you people do not listen. When teacher says something, you don't understand. That is the main problem. You can turn off your videos. I will tell you when to put them on. Fine. You can turn off your videos and let me explain once again. Now, Ashvika and Anand, both of you mute yourself again now. Lower your hands and mute yourself. Ashvika and Anandika, lower your hands. Okay. Now, let me start again. स्टेप वाइज थिंकिंग जो है, स्टेप वाइज थिंकिंग क्या है, जब भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम दी जाती है, वेन एवर यू आर गिवन अ प्रॉब्लम एंड यू वांट टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट दैट प्रॉब्लम. कोई भी काम अगर मम्मा दे देती है या कोई स्कूल में काम दे देता है या कहीं और से, जब भी आपको कोई काम मिलता है, उसको उस काम को करने के लिए यू हैव टू फॉलो सर्टेन स्टेप्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप सुबह उठ के ब्रश करते हो, ठीक है, ब्रश करते हो, ब्रश करना इज एन एक्टिविटी. डू यू अग्री टू इट? कि जो आप ब्रश करते हो अपने टीथ को, दैट ऑल्सो इज एन एक्टिविटी. ब्रशिंग टीथ इज एन एक्टिविटी. नाउ टू परफॉर्म दैट सिंपल एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो यू नीड टू टेक सर्टन स्टेप्स. ब्रश टीथ करने के लिए क्या करते हो आप? ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना कि आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो जाते हो सीधे और अपने आप ब्रश हो जाता है. ऐसे नहीं होता ना. टीथ ब्रश करने के लिए आप क्या करते हो? आप अपना ब्रश पकड़ते हो, ब्रश लेते हो, आप उसको रिंस करते हो, then you apply toothpaste on it, then you start brushing your teeth, then you wash your brush, then you rinse your mouth, then you take tongue cleaner, then you clean your tongue, then you clean the tongue cleaner and you rinse the mouth. There are certain steps जो आप ब्रश करने के लिए यूज करते हो. फॉलो करते हो कि नहीं करते हो? डू यू फॉलो ऑल दीज स्टेप्स जब आप ब्रश करते हो? तो मैंने जो भी बोला है ये सब आप करते हो या नहीं करते हो? Write yes or no something in the chat box that when you brush your teeth, brushing teeth is an activity, right? और जब आप टीथ ब्रश करते हो उसके लिए आप कुछ स्टेप्स परफॉर्म करते हो. आप ब्रश को लेते हो, टूथपेस्ट लगाते हो, ब्रश करते हो, उसको वॉश करते हो, वापस रखते हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. प्रॉब्लम क्या थी यहाँ पे? आई टोल्ड यू, पहले ही मैंने क्लास शुरू होते ही आपको बोला कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. प्रॉब्लम कंप्यूटर्स की टर्म में, कंप्यूटर्स में जब भी आप प्रॉब्लम बोलते हो तो प्रॉब्लम का मतलब है आपको कोई एक्टिविटी दी गई है करने के लिए. नाउ हियर व्हाट वाज द एक्टिविटी गिवन? एक्टिविटी गिवन वाज टू ब्रश योर टीथ. और ब्रश करने के लिए देयर आर सर्टेन स्टेप्स जो आपको करने हैं. एंड दिस स्टेप्स जो आप लिखते हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. इज दैट ओके नाउ? इससे पहले वी डिस्कस्ड वन मोर एक्टिविटी. और उस एक्टिविटी में मैंने आपको ये बोला था कि यू आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ पार्टी, राइट? आपको एक बर्थडे पार्टी अरेंज करनी थी. और बर्थडे पार्टी अरेंज करने के लिए देर आर सर्टन स्टेप्स जो आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे. बर्थडे पार्टी अरेंज करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको एक लिस्ट बनानी पड़ेगी फ्रेंड्स की या रिलेटिव्स की या नेबर्स की, जिनको भी आप बुलाना चाहते हो. ऑलराइट. आफ्टर दैट आप उनको इन्फॉर्म करोगे, या आप उनको ईमेल करके इन्फॉर्म करोगे, या फोन करके इन्फॉर्म करोगे, या व्हाट्सएप करके इन्फॉर्म करोगे. किसी भी तरीके से आप उनको मैसेज दोगे दैट यू आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ बर्थडे पार्टी. तो आप उनको इन्फॉर्म करोगे, इनवाइट दोगे. दैट इज योर सेकेंड स्टेप. जब आपने इनवाइट भी दे दिया और आपको पता है कि लोग आपके घर में आएंगे, तो उनके लिए आपको कुछ अरेंजमेंट करना पड़ेगा. क्या अरेंजमेंट करोगे? जब आपके घर में कोई आएगा, गेस्ट आएंगे, आप उसके लिए सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट करोगे. somebody is unmuted, please mute yourself. Anandika, mute yourself. all of you mute yourself. तो जब आपने इनवाइट दे दिया सबको, उसके बाद क्या करते हो आप? इनवाइट देने के बाद आपको पता है आपके घर में ढेर लोग आने वाले हैं. आपने 20 इनवाइट्स दिए कि 50 इनवाइट्स दिए या 70 इनवाइट्स दिए, दैट इज अप टू यू. जो भी आपकी लिस्ट थी, सपोज यू हैव गिवन इन्विटेशन टू 50 पीपल, राइट? तो आपके घर में 50 लोग अगर आने वाले हैं, आप उनके लिए सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट करोगे या नहीं करोगे? सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट करना पड़ेगा ना, बिकॉज यू आर द ऑर्गेनाइजर. अगर आपने लोगों को बुलाया है तो एट योर होम देयर शैल बी प्लेस टू सिट. तो आपको सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट भी करना पड़ेगा. जब आप लोगों को बुलाओगे तो आप उनको कुछ खिलाओगे भी, तो आपको ईटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स भी करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? अगर कोई पार्टी के लिए आया है तो यू हैव टू सी टू द एंटरटेनमेंट अरेंजमेंट्स ऑल्सो, कि आपने कैसे उनको एंटरटेन करना है. आप उनको डांस करवाओगे, आप उनको गेम्स खिलवाओगे, या आप उनको अंताक्षरी खिलवाओगे, वॉट एवर. कौन सा अरेंजमेंट आपने किया है उनको एंटरटेन करने के लिए. फिर जब आपके गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, उनको आप कैसे ग्रीट करोगे? डोर पे किसी को खड़ा करोगे ग्रीट करने के लिए, या खुद खड़े होना है, या म्यूजिक लगाना है? कैसे? हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू ग्रीट देम? ठीक है, ये सारे स्टेप्स हैं जो आपको एक बर्थडे पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए ये चीजें आपको देखनी पड़ेंगी. इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ बर्थडे पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज एट योर प्लेस, तो ये सारी चीजें आपको अरेंज करनी पड़ेंगी. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. नाउ इन दिस केस प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? प्रॉब्लम थी कि आपको एक बर्थडे पार्टी अरेंज करनी है. प्रॉब्लम इज टास्क गिवन. आपको टास्क क्या दिया? आपको एक बर्थडे पार्टी अरेंज करनी है. और बर्थडे पार्टी को अरेंज करने के लिए ये जो भी 6 स्टेप्स हमने यहाँ मेंशन किए हैं, ये सारे के सारे स्टेप्स आपको करने पड़ेंगे और हर स्टेप आपको परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. अगर इनमें से अगर आप एक भी स्टेप मिस करते हो, ये वाला मिस किया, थर्ड वाला या सेकंड वाला या फोर्थ वाला, कोई भी एक स्टेप अगर आप मिस करते हो तो आपकी जो पार्टी है वो कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकती। सपोज आप इनवाइटीज को बुलाना भूल गए तो आपकी पार्टी हो सकती है? नहीं हो सकती। सपोज आप ईटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स करना भूल गए, तब क्या होगा? तब भी आपकी इंसल्ट होएगी, क्योंकि गेस्ट आ, ठीक है, गेस्ट आ गए हैं आपके घर पे बट यू हैव नॉट अरेंज्ड एनीथिंग टू ईट, तो इंसल्ट होगी ना आपकी? होगी इंसल्ट या नहीं होगी? तो दिस वे ऑल दी स्टेप्स विच आर मेंशन्ड हियर, ये सारे के सारे स्टेप्स आपको करने पड़ेंगे। ऑलराइट, उसके बाद हमने एक प्रॉब्लम ये डिस्कस की, हमने बोला कि वाटर पार्क में जाना है, वाटर पार्क में जाने के लिए क्या स्टेप्स हैं। टीचर ने पूछा होगा कि वाटर पार्क जाने के लिए क्या करना है, तो किसी स्टूडेंट ने ये बोला कि वाटर पार्क जाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, सिंपली हम टिकट्स बुक करते हैं और चले जाते हैं। तो इज इट पॉसिबल, दूसरा स्टूडेंट ये पूछ रहा है कि इज इट पॉसिबल टू बुक टिकट्स जब तक आपको यही पता नहीं है कि जाना किस किस ने है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको बच्चों के नाम कलेक्ट करने पड़ेंगे कि कौन कौन जाना चाहता है वाटर पार्क। उसके बाद जब एक लिस्ट आपके पास आ जाएगी कि दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर विलिंग टू गो टू द वाटर पार्क, तो उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे, उनके टिकट्स बुक करोगे। ठीक है, देन फाइनली जो आपका टीचर है, टीचर गिव्स द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस कि क्या करना पड़ेगा वाटर पार्क की पिकनिक अरेंज करने के लिए। पहले उनको अनाउंसमेंट करनी पड़ेगी पिकनिक के लिए, ओके। उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स के नाम लेने पड़ेंगे कि कौन कौन जाना चाहता है, उसके बाद टिकट्स बुक होंगे, उसके बाद ट्रेवल करोगे वाटर पार्क के लिए। तो ये है मेन स्टेप्स, दीज आर द मेन स्टेप्स। इन मेन स्टेप्स को भी आगे आपको ब्रेक डाउन करना पड़ता है। जब आप स्टेप्स में लिख लेते हो किसी चीज को कि ऐसे हम इस चीज को फाइनलाइज करेंगे, ऐसे हम ये काम करेंगे, तो इट बिकम्स इजी फॉर यू टू ऑर्गेनाइज, और यू कैन से इट बिकम्स इजी फॉर यू टू डू दैट टास्क। ठीक है, दिस वाज ऑल जो हमने पढ़ा। तो अगर आपको ये समझ नहीं आया है, कहीं से भी कोई दिक्कत है, तो आप ऐसा करो, आप ये वाला पेज, पेज नंबर 58 एंड पेज नंबर 59, पेज नंबर 59 पे यू आर गिवन टू मोर प्रॉब्लम्स। एक प्रॉब्लम ये दी है कि यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द स्टेप्स रिक्वायर्ड टू पैक योर स्कूल बैग, स्कूल बैग को पैक करना है। सो हियर टास्क गिवन इज टू पैक योर स्कूल बैग, राइट। तो स्कूल बैग को पैक करने के लिए जो स्टेप्स हैं दे आर रिटन। उसके बाद एक और टास्क आपको दिया है टू मेक अ सैंडविच, और सैंडविच बनाने के स्टेप्स भी आपको ये लिखे हुए हैं, यहाँ पे लिखे हैं। ठीक है, सो हियर द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम इज making a sandwich. In this case what is the problem, problem is to pack a school bag। तो इनको पढ़ लेना, पेज नंबर 58 और 59 आप अच्छे से पढ़ोगे। और अगर उन दो पेजेस में कुछ समझ नहीं आता है तो अगली क्लास में वी विल डिस्कस दीज पेजेस अगेन। ठीक है, आगे इसके बाद जो भी लिखा है आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक अप दैट, बिकॉज जब तक आपको यही समझ नहीं आएगा आगे का करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल। सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू रीड पेज नंबर 58 एंड 59। Those who want to ask anything can raise their hands. This was all. I will take the next topic in the next class. Next topic is coding and coding decoding. Just give me 1 sec. I will unmute you. Hitakshi is raising hand. Yes, Hitakshi. Hitakshi has not joined her audio and she's raising hand. Hitakshi, you have not joined your audio. How will I unmute you? Then you can, in this case, you can type your problem in the chat box. Anybody else except Hitakshi? Anybody else? If you want to ask something, can raise your hand. I will unmute you. Anyone? Do you want to ask something? No queries, nothing. Nobody is raising hand. In that case, I will wind up. If you don't want to ask anything, okay. Shambhavi, yes, Shambhavi or Shambhavi, what is it? Unmute yourself. Shambhavi, you can unmute yourself. Okay, if you don't want to ask anything, in that case, I will be winding up. Shagundeep, you have something to ask? You can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, bhai. Shagundeep, unmute yourself. Hitakshi also can unmute. Okay, in that case, if you don't want